All right, today is January 25th, 2025. Jerico Matias Cruz here. I'm making a chai. Okay. So what I have here right now, it's I grinded the spices. So I have a cinnamon, I have a little bit of star anise, a little bit of cardamom, and cloves. As you can see, they're powdered already. Okay. So instead of adding a black tea, I'm adding a green tea. Okay. So I have the milk here, and I have another one here, ginger and cinnamon tea. All right. I have the green tea. It's ready to go. I'm just waiting for the water. All right. As you can see it here, I'm adding brown sugar instead of white sugar. All right. So I added all the tea bags here. So all the ingredients are here except for the milk. So except for the sugar and the milk. All right. All right. The brown sugar is already added. 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. Now I'm adding one cup of milk right now. As you can see it here. I'm gonna let it simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna let it simmer for 15 minutes here. So I have the sugar. I got all the ingredients here. That includes the milk. As you can see there, I have 14 more minutes. I'm gonna let it simmer for 14 minutes. All right. All right. All right. I just completed the 15 minutes or 10 to 15 minutes simmering this chai right here. Okay. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna use the strainer to get rid of the anything that is, as you can see it here, you can see that it's visible. We don't want that, so we want to refine it. Anything that is solid, it's supposed to be strained. All right, filtered out from this chai. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is once I'm done filtering it, right, I'm gonna transfer it to this jar right here. As you can see it here, this jar right here. Okay. All right. I just completed my chai. Okay. Right now I haven't figured out the name for this one. No, it's not the same with the chai that they make in the Middle East. Okay. So I make a little bit of twist on this. So I added green tea bag and a ginger bag with cinnamon, so that the ginger is not the raw, it's the one, the tea bag. So I did not use black tea, I used green tea, so it's, you see the difference. As you can see it here, this is my chai. Okay, it's hot, it's not cold. All right, it's in the container right now. So I haven't named this chai right now. Green chai, green cinnamon chai, maybe. All right.